How to get a $100 T-Mobile promotion? Good question. There's no single $100 T-Mobile promotion that always applies. It depends on which deal you're talking about. But here are some common ways people have legitimately gotten $100 from T-Mobile and how you might qualify. Use these tactics carefully and always check the current T-Mobile promotions page because offers change often. Ways to get a $100 T-Mobile promotion or similar. 1. Home Internet Sign-Up Bonus. T-Mobile 5G Home Internet gives a $100 virtual prepaid MasterCard to new customers in some regions. To claim, sign up for 5G Home Internet, activate the service, and fill out the promotion form. Make sure to catch the correct promo code. Then wait 6 to 8 weeks to receive the card. Note that some users say you need to submit details like your billing phone number correctly to qualify. 2. Port in or switch promotion. There are offers where you get $100 via virtual MasterCard when you port your number from another carrier to T-Mobile. These promos often require porting in within a certain time window, activating a qualifying plan, and keeping the line active for a minimum period. Make sure to submit your rebate or promo application within the deadline. 3. Referral or Bring a Friend program. T-Mobile's referral program lets you refer friends and earn bonuses. However, in many areas, the older $100 per referral offer has been replaced or reduced. Check your eligibility and referral terms before relying on this. Tips to maximize your chance of getting the offer. Read the terms carefully. Promo codes and rebate forms often have very specific requirements like plans, number porting, and time limits. Keep records. Save confirmation emails, take screenshots of the form when submitting, and note the promo code you used. Follow up. If you don't receive your $100 card after the expected time, contact T-Mobile's promotion support. Stay updated. Check T-Mobile's Promotion Center page regularly for current offers. If you like, I can check current active $100 T-Mobile promotions for your region or the US. Do you want me to do that?